Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section, guys, of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not take money from my subscribers to invest for them under no circumstances. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want 6 free stocks, Webull is going to give you 6 free stocks when you open up a new Webull brokerage account. Put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you 6 free stocks valued all the way up to $12,600. So after the video, I want you guys to go down to the description box of the video. Click on that Webull link, open up your new account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. The Federal Reserve is going to be meeting July 26 and July 27. And in that meeting, they're going to decide how much they're going to increase short-term interest rates to fight our skyrocketing inflation rate. I personally believe they're going to increase the short-term interest rates by 100 basis points or more. I've been looking at some analyst reports online that say maybe 75 basis points. The reason that's important is because based on what the Federal Reserve does on Wednesday, July 27th, will determine what happens with the stock market. Will the stock market bounce end once the Federal Reserve increase interest rates? I think it will, definitely will, if they increase it by 100 basis points or more. If it's below 100, let's say it's 75, I think the stock market will stand neutral. I don't think there will be a huge sell-off. Another thing you got to think about also when we're talking about the stock market and will the stock market bounce continue, we got to think about 5 companies who will be announcing their second quarter earnings report. And those companies are Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, and Facebook. The big mega tech companies. If those guys come out this week, Tuesday through Friday of this week, and they announce that they missed their second quarter earnings projections, then that will cause the stock market to sell off as well. So you got to understand, those 5 companies make up 20% of the S&P 500. They also make up about 40% of the NASDAQ 100. And when I'm talking about 20%, 40%, that's a weighted percentage, right? So it's going to be huge. If those 5 companies come out with, like I said, unperforming second quarter numbers, then I believe that will cause the stock market to sell off as well this week. So be on the lookout for the earnings reports for Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, and Facebook/Meta. Be on the lookout for those. Also, be paying attention tomorrow because that's when the Fed is going to be announcing this short-term interest rate hike. Keep in mind, the Fed will be meeting again in September. And in September, they may have to increase short-term interest rates again if inflation has not peaked. We won't know that for another couple of months, but at least have that on your radar, guys. So in the meantime, what should you be doing? What should I be doing? Well, I'm going to continue doing what I've been doing since the beginning of the year. I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging into my favorite companies, into my favorite ETFs, into my favorite cryptos. Business as usual, guys. No matter what happens with the stock market, no matter if it bounces, if it stays neutral, or if it sells off, I'm going to continue doing what I've been doing. I've been telling you guys this bear market is going to last for 2 to 3 years. This recession is going to last 2 to 3 years. So I have already psychologically got myself to a point that I'm ready for that. And I would tell you guys to do the same thing. Get yourself psychologically ready for this 2 to 3 year roller coaster ride we're going to have in the stock market and we're going to have in our economy. If you want to build wealth, that's not a bad thing, guys, because everything's going to continue to be on sale and even be deeper on sale, depending upon what happens this week and the coming weeks, right? If we don't get inflation down soon, if we don't start seeing that thing starting to come down soon, we may go into a deep recession. And at that point, these companies, these ETFs, these cryptos, they're going to be at an even deeper discount. Now, don't want you guys waiting around trying to time the market. Just consider getting in the market. Just continue to dollar cost average in, and you'll ride the market down. Or if there's a bounce, you'll start riding it up a little bit. We don't know. All we should be concentrated on is dollar cost averaging in every single week, every single month in our favorite companies, favorite ETFs, favorite cryptos to build wealth long term. Right now, guys, we are in the accumulation stage, right? We're in the accumulation stage, and we're going to be in that stage for 2 to 3 years. So let's acquire as many assets as we can at these discounted prices. And then when we get to the growth stage, which in my opinion will probably be year 4, right? Year 4 or 5, we'll get in the growth stage where we'll be in the beginning stages of a new bull market, a recovering economy. Then at that point, that's when our growth starts on all these assets we acquire during the bear market, where all these assets we acquire during the acquisition stage, right? And then at some point, once we got our wealth to where we want it at, we can exit if we choose to, or we can continue to compound in the market. That will be up to you. Guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your money. You got to do what you need to do with your money. You got your own financial plan. You got to execute it. All I'm giving you is my opinion on what I'm going to be doing and what I think the market's going to do based on certain information that's going to be presenting itself this week. You got to make your own decision, though. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you guys think about the Fed meeting this week. You know, how high they're going to be raising short-term interest rates. What do you think about the 5 big tech companies that I spoke about? If they missed their second quarter earnings projections, what that will do to the stock market? Let me know down in the comment section, guys, your thoughts on both of those. If you want those 6 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box. When you open that new Webull account, you're going to get 6 free stocks. Go get that free money, guys. Go get those free stocks. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.